There are certain fields that need to be included based on your client's needs, where a custom results layout can help to maximize your time. By default, the Agent OneLine display offers fields that show an overview of your search criteria. Click within the blue empty space of your column header. This box will allow you to rename the column header, add a new field, or delete the current column that you've selected. Use the search bar at the bottom of the window to insert the field that you need. Hold the Command key if you are working on a MacBook, or Control key if you're a Windows user to select more than one field. When you're ready, hit the Apply button. More format options are available within the Customization box, where you can align fields and wrap text entries. For a quick and easy way to adjust the width of a column, hover your cursor between two columns until you see the following mouse cursor. Double-click to auto-fit the field, or you can click and drag the columns to your desired width. To arrange fields that make it easier to review listings based on what is most important to your customers, hover your cursor over the field you wish to move until you see the selection tool. Then click and drag the field to the order in which you want to see it. Price and number of bedrooms and bathrooms are important factors for most clients. Click the column header to activate a sort by ascending or descending order. An arrow will appear signifying when your criteria is sorted. You can select two additional fields to activate a secondary or tertiary sort. Hover over each arrow to see the order in which it is labeled, or by looking at the width of each, where the thickest arrow signifies your primary sort. When you're ready to save your new results display, click the edit icon and give your display a creative name. You can email or print your report as needed, or make it your primary results page by clicking the gear icon and setting it as a standard default layout for ongoing business with your clients. The display drop-down is where you can find your custom results report, labeled My, followed by the name of your custom search. For more helpful tips that you can use to better serve your buyers and sellers, check out our training page at support.brightmls.com.